That is Lightning owner Jeff Vinik holding up the cup.
You're looking at Jeff Vinik. Whoa, almost lost the cup there. Jeff Vinik, the owner of this team, he has put so much time, effort, and money into making not just the team, but Amalie Arena one of the best arenas in the country. And if you've ever been to a Lightning game, the light show and all the special effects, that's Mr. Jeff Vinik's job to make sure the crowd has just as incredible of an experience as the team.